Good morning, it's another day with me. Dan's gone off to Bridlington to go pick up baby. I am actually missing her now. It's really weird. I was like, oh my god, freedom! But yesterday I was like, oh no, I think I'm ready for her back now. So I've got the house to myself for probably the next 5 hours. I'm going to deep clean the bedroom, like pull all the cabinets out, clean behind it, sort the drawers again. I did that recently, but there's loads of empty drawers, so I can just shove stuff into them. Like, for example, hair extensions and baby locks. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. But I'm going to laminate my eyebrows. Don't know if you saw my eyelash perming video. I say perming, like, well, I don't know what they call it. I don't know what the proper word for it is. I call it perming. Lash perm kit. I'm gonna do my eyebrows because I did my eyebrows when I'd done the lashes, and I just loved the results. And you're really meant to do it sort of every 8 weeks, and it's definitely been close to 12 weeks. So I'm ready for them doing it again. I've got very bushy eyebrows, like, I don't know if you can see, they kind of stick up off my face. And this just makes them all flat and smooth and amazing. So I'm going to do that. I don't know if I'm going to do a video on it, but I just thought I'd show you the before and after. If you want me to make a video on it, I'm more than happy to. Please let me know in the comments. So here's the before. Okay, that's it. We are done. I just need to take off my perming lotion on this side. I've done this one already. But this is like the most satisfying thing ever. Because now I'm going to scrub off all the like glue and perm lotion and all that jazz. It's just so satisfying. Oh, it's like sticky and gross and gunky. Ugh. Last time I did this, I left the perm solution on for 10 minutes and I really burnt my skin. Well, it just felt really sore and red and horrible. Eyelashes, it was fine, but I guess maybe this is stronger than eyebrow lamination kits. I don't know. This is for eyelashes. So maybe this is too strong for brows, but whatever, it's fine. So yeah, 10 minutes last time, and I've only done 8 this time. So, like, running the comb, this mascara comb over my skin feels really tender, like it's not nice. But beauty is pain. Right, so I'm gonna wipe off this now. Ugh. Ugh. And then just give them a little comb. Like, who's that guy, that politician with the massive eyebrows? I can't remember his name. But there you go. Big fluffy brows. This side's dried. This is still a bit. Oh god, I've got it in my hair. Fuck's sake. I don't know if you remember me before, but it was like, do you remember it was sticking up from my face before, and now it's like flat on my skin. It's awesome. So there you go. You can have big fluffy brows now. When you laminate them, you do it like straight up like that, so you look insane. But obviously you just sort of, because they're so soft and straight now, you can just comb them into any shape you want. It's good, isn't it? Okay, here's your before and after. It's really, look, wind curtain open. But they're just so much easier to do now. Like, I don't even think I need a pencil, really, to sort of fill them in. I'm trying to sort of grow this one a different shape to how it is. I love the shape of this brow, but this one is just a little bit 90s. And I'm trying to grow in this section here, so it looks a bit fuller. It's going well so far. But yeah, look alright, don't they? Anyway, I'll link the kit below if you want to have a go at yourself. It's really easy. I'll link the lash video as well, because you'll see how the kit is there. I'll link it below anyway, just have a look at it. It's worth doing, I think, if you've got half an hour to yourself. I know as a mother that's a very rare thing, but it just does make your life so much easier in the morning. You don't have to do your eyebrows. Not that I've actually been wearing makeup any time at all. I think I will once the wearing masks stops being a thing. God knows when that's going to be. It's supposed to be 21st of June, isn't it? I don't know.
Ready? Tonight I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world is turning inside out. Yeah, I'm floating around in ecstasy, so don't stop me now.
Hi. Dottie. Dottie. Hello. Hi, babe. Hi. You having a walk? In the sunshine? What? What are you doing? Hello. Careful. Ready? Whee! Woo! Is that fun? Yeah. Hello. It's a glorious sunny day here in Barnsley. I think it's Barnsley. I'm taking the Beeb to see the cows at Cannon Hall. Just a little run around in the playground. And now I'm pushing up a massive hill. So it's like an open farm kind of thing. You know, mind you, it's very different to how it used to be. When I was a kid, I used to be able to like pick up the chicks. Hey. Yeah, but you could like reach over and grab guinea pigs and rabbits and stuff like that. And piglets, you could just pick them up. I don't give a shit. But it's changed a lot over the years. You can't touch anything anymore. And obviously, now with COVID, you definitely can't pick anything up. So, It'll be interesting to see how they do things. But I don't think it's anything like what it used to be. You just run around and do what you want, basically. But it's really structured now. God, I'm so out of breath. Look at that tree. It's amazing. Beautiful. Love some. I think we've got one in our garden, but it is so tiny. It's in here, Dotty. Piggies. Can you see the piggies? Look at those piggies.
No.
What does it say? Piggy. Sunbathing. I don't know how much she's enjoying this. The smell. Oh god, yeah. Look how slim my face looks now. Why is it a long time since you've come?
Well, Toby's 18 in August, so
Was he?
at least 10 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it stinks.
Well, actually, no,
Ever since that COVID test last week, I'm like, ugh.
oh, that was so funny.
Piggies! Yeah. Look at those piggies! It's like I can't see a thing in this goddamn hat. Guess the animal from the shape of their poo. The answer is a llama or an alpaca, one or the other. There's loads of stuff in there. Donkey. What else have we got? Baba. Oh yeah. Far corner. What is it? That's not my llama. His hooves are too shiny. Climbing frame for goats. That. It's got very trendy hair right now. Cute baby goats. She's not bothered, is she? No. Look, it's a little tiny poodle thing. Oh. No. You used to buy a bag, didn't you, for 50p? And they'd eat it out your hand.
Yeah.
Now you put it in here, turn the crank, and it goes down to feed them. Wow. Look at him. Can you see him? Ooh. Nearly. Moo. Oh, there's a little cow underneath trying to get some milk. A little calf, sorry. Reindeers are better than people. Are you just wanting your sandwich? Look, it's Sven. I like mayonnaise. Do you like mayonnaise? Mummy likes burgers and chips. Are you going to have a chip? Are you going to have a chip?
Ketchup and mayonnaise.
She's quite happy with this mayo, isn't she? Right, black cherry ice cream. Come on then. Dotty, ice cream. Come on. It's really hard to do it through a camera. Oh. Don't you like it anymore? I'm fascinated.
Freeze.
Come on. No? Oh, mama. No, she doesn't like it anymore. Too sour. What about salted caramel?
Hold on. Salted caramel.
No.
No, have you had enough?
Okay. What's wrong with it? Is it a bit sour? Oh. What was the name of that politician with the really big eyebrows? Dennis Healy.
Yeah.
Was it?
70s.
Yeah. I don't know. You going for a walk with Uncle Gary? See ya. Bye. Bye. See ya. So I was just telling Sophie everything I've ordered from ASOS because they had a really good, yeah, they had a really good bank holiday sale on. And the glasses that I've been wanting for ages were 50 quid down to 35 plus an extra 20% off for bank holiday. So they were arriving today. Yes, they were. And guess what? I've just found my glasses that I thought I'd lost in her pram. Look at that clever girl. Anyway, I'll show you when I get home all the lovely bits I got for bank holiday sale. Oh, God, I'm aching all over. I used to wearing sketches, right? Little ASOS delivery. We've got Glow Hub, Go Deep, Pore Polish, Exfoliator. Because I've run out. An exfoliator. Infused with pink grapefruit and salicylic something acid. Had okay reviews. It's gentle. Moisturiser, exfoliator. And then we've got my White Secret whitening toothpastes. And it's got a daytime and a nighttime. It's 2 tubes of toothpaste to me. Black toothpaste, it's meant to be really whitening. Right, this is what I was holding out for, these sunglasses. I hope they're nice. These are from the brand Key. It's like clay. But I love a big sunglasser. Oh God. Very nicely. Oh, they're polarised, that's why they should have been 50 quid. Cool. Oh yeah, they're nice. Nice and big. Do you reckon? They're nice. They're not as dark as I like. I normally like really dark, so you can't see my eyes. Bit disappointed by them actually. This dress was £8.50. I think it should have been about £30. And it was pink polka dots, so I couldn't resist. It's like a little V-neck with buttons. Poofy sleeves. Very nice big poofy sleeves. And then it's got little frills along the bottom. Thought that was lovely. £8.50. Can't go wrong. And then for Dan, I got him some new swimming trunks. Everything was in the sale, that was bought, by the way. I think they will fit him. Yeah. I do think ASOS is quite big on its sizing, to be honest. Yeah, it's got pockets. So I got him that, and then I thought it might be nice if he had like a little cover up. So I got him this matching, sort of matching, thin shirt. I'm not sure what fabric it is. It kind of feels like, you know, those granny dresses. And I thought, you know, if it was open with these shorts on top or underneath, that would look quite nice. I mean, I don't know if he's going to be sweaty or cool in this, to be honest. What is it made of? Polyester. Ooh, I had some bright yellow polyester trousers when I was Disney bounding as Snow White. Never again. Never again. It was horrendous.
Dot, do you want to come and look at this mouse?
Dotty! Dotty! What's Auntie Sophie got?
Mouse?
What's Auntie Sophie got? Go on. Go on. Go on. What's that? What's Auntie Sophie got? What does it say? It's Christmas. And the cheeky cats.
And I can see another mouse.
Counting down the days.
And some fish. Yeah?
Climb up and see.
Come and have a look.
Oh, she really wants to, doesn't she? Go on then. You obviously don't want it enough. She's licking the sofa.
Come
Crawl then, do something.
I'll just dribble up
Just
carpet.
move forward.
Do you want to try getting up here, Dotty?
Hold your hand up. Here. No.
Come then.
Hold.
Me.
Mummy.
You're
Yeah.
tired, aren't you? Come then.
Hold on to my hand.
Put your hand on there. And pull. Good. Put your hand on.
No, I'm not
Hand
doing
on
it.
there.
I'm not doing it, Close. No.
Look at this cat.
It's.
No. I've had enough. Stop force me. I'm tired. Look, it's cat.
No, I've had enough now.
Look, it's cat. And there's Mouse. Fast asleep, Mouse. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
Right, I'm trying these glasses on. And I really like them. They look fab. But I was trying to look at my phone. Like, you know, I had these glasses on, I was wearing them. I was like, oh, I need to text Dan to pick up some yogurt or something. And I couldn't bloody read my phone through these glasses. You can't even see me talking to you. Couldn't read anything. So anyway, I looked at the baby monitor whilst wearing these. Couldn't bloody see anything. So I film my vlogs on my phone, so I can't show what it looks like, but I can show you what it looks like to look at the baby monitor whilst wearing these. Okay, there's little sleeping baby. Okay, I'm going to put the glasses on you now. You ready? Look. It's like a rainbow. That's what it's like when I look at my phone. What the hell? How mental is that? That's what I'm meant to do. Because I've always got my phone in my hand. And I'm going to have my sunglasses on all the time. Now that it's summer. I'm gutted. I mean, to be honest, I've put them on again. I can see this perfectly. But if I go onto like my normal screen where I want to text somebody or something, it don't work. They are polarised glasses. I don't really know what that means. But I'm guessing it's like extra sun protection, I'm guessing. But it just makes it dead hard to see things. Hello. Try these glasses on.
Fuck, are they? Are you going to be sick?
No.
You filming me?
Yeah. Cool, aren't they? Really dark.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Right, now look at the baby monitor.
It's going to flicker on me.
What's he doing that for?
Uh,
Look at your phone screen.
It's same.
Well, it's dark. Can you read your phone screen?
Well, it's certain angles, yeah.
Yeah? What does that mean?
It just means, I think it's something to do with how these are made.
The polarised.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure exactly what that is. But if you, how much did you pay for them?
A lot.
Yeah, if you'd have bought them like £1.99 down pounds saver or whatnot, they'd probably not make a difference.
I know it's a good thing. They were £50, down to 35 with 20% off. Which is like 25-ish quid in it or something. Is it? No, that's a lot, not that much. But anyway, I was happy to pay the price for them. But it's like... You're on your phone all the time, aren't you?
Where?
All the time.
You better take the bastard back, doesn't it?
It doesn't make a difference.
Better depolarise, wouldn't you?
I don't know how to do that.
Polarisation.
Polarisation.
Depolarisation
Right.
requires a polar bear and some ice.
Okay.
So you might struggle with
Are you
it.
impressed with me? I'm getting ready milk today.
I'm impressed with the beat.
No bedtime bottle.
Shit on the juice.
Yeah, loads of juice.
Nice.
She's eating fucking loads all day.
Fat little fucker.
She never stops eating at can and all.
How many lambs got eaten?
There's a bottle down by the side of a bed with some water in it.
That's what morning.
Well,
Could you get it?
no.
Alright.
Just thought I'd give it a try. I'm guessing you saw that clip of Dot when we were trying to get her to stand up. Or like pull herself up. She really wants to do it, but I just think she's a bit tired today. Been out all day on the farm. I didn't really enjoy the farm, to be honest. My gag reflex. I ain't got one anymore, apparently. Ever since I did that COVID test last week. What? Anyway, me and my eyebrows are going to leave you here for this vlog. It's certainly been long enough, hasn't it? Next week, we're going to Alton Towers. Is it next week? No, I think it's the week after. We're going to Alton Towers soon anyway, with a baby, which should be interesting. But I can't wait to get her on all the little postman pat rides and all that kind of thing. Because you know how we feel about theme parks in this family. We love them. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. And that's it. I will see you in the next one. Bye!